Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home right now for top dollar, or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get the highest return on your investment? Hi, April Borst here with Arizona Best Real Estate, and let's take the quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test right now. Now, I've sold tons of homes, so I know what I'm talking about. So here we go. Okay, so when you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Does it have fresh landscaping? Maybe a bit of fresh soil, fresh flowers, plants, or trees? Does it have new trim, door paint, or possibly even a new paint job? Or do you need to hire somebody who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings by telling you what you need to do? So, have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning, folks, like the baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscaping, change out old light fixtures, and more. Is your lawn like lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint, that's just not gonna qualify for selling your home for top dollar right now. At least not in this market. Okay, so do you have neutral carpets? Are they clean? Or are they like 10 years old and been cleaned like 15 times, and once people walk all over them a few times, well then the truth comes out. This is not gonna cut it to get you top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same that they were 15 years ago, or have you updated them? What about your lot? Does your lot compare to 1/2 acre lot up the street? You see, all of this matters. Now here's a big one, the smell test. Oh my gosh, did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds super gross, but it's true. Now look, I love pets. In fact, I have a little dog and he goes with me everywhere, and I consider him family. His name is Little One. Now, if I were to list my home, I would have to free breeze like crazy. You see, my dog is a rescue and he's peed on my throw rugs. So if I'm going to sell, I'm gonna have to make changes on my own to pass the smell test. What about cooking? Do you like to cook with spices that you're used to, but if someone else came over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Now, have you truly compared your home to the competition? I mean, everyone, including me, thinks that we have the best home on the block, right? I mean, listen, maybe you spent some time upgrading your house many years ago, and I'm sure it's been memorable, but is it measuring up to your competition? Is your home partially staged, or is it fully staged with modern furniture to ensure that it shows to the best of its ability? Maybe your furniture is outdated or stained, or probably makes your home look older than it is. Hey, look, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. Now, when you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor's bathroom, or is there a mountain, golf course, or waterfront? Yes, believe it or not, looking at your neighbor's butt crack or hearing them yell over who gets to pick what they want to watch on TV tonight isn't quite as desirable as having an open view. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10. 10 would be if you're ready to put your house on the market right now and sell it for top dollar. Or do you need to make a few changes like I would? And believe me, most of us do need to make changes. Oh my gosh, if I were to sell my home right now, I'd have a honey to-do list 4 days. Again, I'm April Borst. Call me and I would be happy to advise you, because my focus is you.